going to study new lesson. Where is Toby? Where is Toby? In this passage, this chapter is fully conversation. Then we can listen this chapter. In between, some words are like place words. Place words means prepositions. No, preposition, place word. No, like this. In, under, over, between, inside, between. No, this. Behind, near. These are place words. Then, especially we can see in this chapter. So, we should be very careful. Then I will read, then you can listen. Then if you are seeing the place where you can just underline that words. Okay, then I will start the lesson. Toby is a puppy. He belongs to Rohan and Meera. He is 1 month old. The family is sitting in their home. Then first one, Rohan. Where is Toby? Who is Toby? Toby is a puppy. Then whose this puppy belongs to whom? Rohan and Meera. Then Rohan. Where is Toby? Meera. He is here somewhere. She calls, Toby, Toby. Look behind the curtain, Rohan. He lies playing with the curtains. He likes to play with the curtain. Then Rohan looks. No, he is not here. No, he is not here. Mother. Maybe he is sleeping in his basket. Where is he sleeping? In his basket. Meera. Meera goes to the next room and comes back. No, he is not here. Then father. Do you think he is in the garden? Next possible where? He is in the garden. He lies playing in the flower beds. What is he interested to? In the garden. He likes to play in the flower beds. Then Rohan and Meera go into the garden and call. They went to garden for searching to puppy. Then they are calling Toby, Toby. They are calling Meera. Then nearly crying. Oh, where is he gone? I hope he is not lost. Mother. Don't worry, Meera. He must be in the house. Where is he? He must be in the house. Toby, where are you? Toby, softly saying, eep, eep. He is crying like this. Then Rohan, that's him. Meera, loudly. Toby, again she called loudly. Where are you? Toby, softly. Again, he repeated his cry, beep, 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 beep. Then, next, all family members, they are searching to puppy. He is in the bedroom. Let's find him. Then they all run into the bedroom. Where they went? They all run into the bedroom. Father, look under the beds, Rohan. Where we want to look? Look under the beds, Rohan. Under prepositions, no? Then Rohan crawls under the beds. Not here. Meera. He likes sitting in front of the TV. Where is he sitting? In front of the TV. But he is not here. He is not here. Oh, Toby, He is calling again. Mother, look behind the doors. Meera, look behind the doors. Meera, where? Behind the door. Behind. He may be hiding there. Where he is hiding? Behind the doors. Then Meera looks. No, he is not here. Oh, Toby, where are you? Then Toby, loudly he is crying. Eep, eep, eep. Like this, he is crying. Oh, the cupboard. Oh, they all are saying the cupboard. Father, Rohan, get a chair and look on top of the cupboard. Where? Top of the cupboard. Rohan stands on a chair and looks. He is not here. He is not here. Meera looks behind the cupboard where they want to search. Behind the cupboard. Again here is the place name, no? Behind the cupboard. He is not here. Mother looks in the clothes basket near the cupboard. He is not here. Everywhere search. Then but there isn't. Then Toby loudly he is crying, eep, 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 eep. Then he is in the cupboard. Where is he? He is in the cupboard. Mother opens the cupboard quickly. Toby jumps into Meera's arms. Now they all are got happy. Then Rohan laughing. What are you doing in the cupboard? What are you doing in the cupboard? You naughty dog. No, you naughty dog. Mother, oh, look at the mess in the cupboard. Look at the mess in the cupboard. Meera, oh ma, he is only a baby. Don't be cross with him. Don't be cross with him. Means what? Don't angry to him. No, don't give angry to him. Then father laughing and well, look after your baby and don't let him get lost. Then you understood now? Then you should have to read this chapter. How many times you want to read? And these 3 times you should have to read this passage. Then you underline which are the prepositions, place name. I told no. Then this in the word I had to written here in, under, in front of, on, into, behind, near, over, between, inside. These are the place word. So you find out this. Okay. Then next we are going to see the question answers. What does Toby do with the curtain? What does he do? And Toby lies playing with the curtain. Toby lies playing with the curtain. Then what does Toby do in the basket? And he is sleeping in his basket. Then what does Toby do in the garden? He likes to play in the flower buds. Then why is Meera nearly crying? Because she lost her puppy. So she felt sad. Then what does mother find in the cupboard when Toby jumps out? Mother found their puppy. Then next you take the page number 63. Then here is one picture had to given here. Then you look at here. Then you write yourself. Look at this picture and answer Amit's question. Work in pairs. Then Amit, what's in front of the school? Can you say what's in front of the school according to this picture? Can you say? Eh? There is a park in front of the school. What is there? There is a park in front of the school. Then Amit, what's in the park in front of the school? What's the park in front of the school? There is a pond in front of the school. Then Amit, what's in the pond? Can you say what is this? There are, what is there in the pond? There are ducks in the pond. Is that a mango tree? There is one mango, there is one tree, no? What kind of tree it is? Is it a mango tree? Yes, that is a mango tree. Then what's under the tree? What's under the tree? There is a goat under the tree. Then next page you take, repeat the phrases after your teacher. Behind the curtains, in the garden, under the bed, in front of the TV. Then next, fun with the sounds. Say these words aloud with your teacher. Yes, yellow, he, we, red, does, she, me. Then now write the exercise number B. Now write the words with the same E sound as in these pictures. There is two pictures are given now. One is hen, another one is chicken. No? Then you make some words hen, men, pen, ten, den, like that. Then here also. No? Be, he, she, me, we, like this. Then next one, grammar. One and more than one. One and more than one. What is that? Singular number and plural number. No, singular. What do you understand? Singular, singular means one piece. No, only one. Then plural, more than two. No, more than one. Then you look at the in the test. There is two pictures. No, one mango and more mango. No. Then mangoes, mango, mangoes, plural, mangoes. Then we add es to some words to show they are more than one. What we want to use for making plural, want to add es, or some words are yes, es. No. Then fill in the blanks using the words in the box. Potatoes, mangoes, tomatoes, benches, bushes, glasses. Then in this sentence, you look here, first number, pour some water into the, how many glasses are there? 3 are there, no? Singular or plural? Plural form. Then what do you want to use? Glasses. Pour some water into the glasses. Then second, 2 benches are there, no? Then don't sit on the benches. Third one, chips are made from potatoes. Here are 3 potatoes. So potatoes. Then Bill is hiding in the grasses. Es, no. Every plural form add with the es. Then tomatoes. Tomatoes are red. 2 tomatoes are there now. What is the color of the tomatoes? Tomatoes are red. Then next 2 mangoes there now. Then mangoes have big seeds. Mangoes have big seeds. Then next page, 66. Then must to make it clear sentences. This tree has a lot of fruit. My shoes are too tight. Our teacher gives us sweets. The aeroplane flies through the clouds. A long snake lives in my garden. All my friends are coming to my party. Then C number. Make 8 sentences from this table. 4 sentences using like and 4 sentences using don't like. Then this you should have to write as a homework. This is your homework. You want to do yourself. Then after that I will check. Then if you have any doubt, you can contact with me. Okay. Then other one also. The words in these sentences are jumbled, disorderly given. So you should find out this sentence correct and write. Big a laddu have I. How can you write in order? I have a big laddu. I have a big laddu. I can it into 2. Then I can cut it into 2. Now, like that we can make. Then next one, next grammar portion, want to use the prepositions. In this here it is some pictures are given. Want to, then one kitten is there. Kitten where it is. Want to write. In or inside or over or beside or between, wherever. Then you want to write this. The kitten is on the table. Where is he sitting? First number on the table. Then next one. He is sitting where? The shoe is seeing here now. Where she is? The kitten is in the shoe. Inside the shoe. Then next one. He is between the door. Then this also you can find out from your text and want to write correctly. Then we will give question answers in your WhatsApp group. Then next page you take 68, page number 68. Then B. Select the correct words from those given in brackets. Then this you can do yourself. Then I will give as a homework. Okay? You just take page number 68. Homework this. Homework. Then select the correct words from those given in the brackets. Then B number. B. Down. Want to select the correct words. Then complete the correct words. Then next one, let's enrich our word store. A. Complete these words using ER or OR. Complete the sentence with ER. Complete the words with E-R or O-R. Yeah. Then next one B. Underline the silent letters. Underline the silent letters. Silent letters. Okay? Then everything is clear now. If you have any doubt, you can contact with me. Then I will help you. Then in this chapter, question answers and exercises are available in your WhatsApp group. So the correct time we will send. Then you should have to watch the WhatsApp group. Then you want to write in your copy compulsory. Okay, compulsory you should have to write. Okay.